Hello, my name is Stephen Jackson. Just look at the picture of these beautiful coins. Are you interested in gold and silver? Where you can buy with no minimums and no maximum, meaning no maximum amounts, no minimum amounts. Perhaps you want to buy in fractional amounts because it's more affordable. Maybe a tenth of an ounce of gold, a fifth of an ounce of gold, a tenth of an ounce of silver. Would you be interested in acquiring gold and silver to protect your money during these inflationary periods? Experts say that gold and silver is one of the best ways to protect your legacy, to protect your income during inflation. Again, my name is Stephen Jackson, and I will show you how you can buy gold and silver in seconds.